We raised over $1 million in the past 6 months for our clients. We did this with a combination of digital ads and SMS fundraising. My name is Michael. I'm the co-founder here at Rise Media. For it to be a highly converting ad, there must be some sort of emotion elicited in the viewer, whether it's sadness or joy. People experience ads in two ways, visually and audibly. Let's talk about the visual component of an ad. Big mistake people make. The visuals being shown are not supporting the story being told. For example, we created this ad for our client. This is a real experience that ADC had. Let's watch the ad.
Hello, ya ibn Sharmuta, ya ibn al-Kahba. Listen to me, but listen to me carefully. My name is Kenny. If you not call me before 12 o'clock, you must. I come to your office. I come to your sister. Come to your mother. Come to everyone in this office. You have 40 minutes, you because I'm not gonna let you work. I'm gonna close your office. You son of Sharmuta, ya ibn al-Air, ya ibn al-Aib. If you not call me, I come to stab you in the neck. Read my lips, you 40 minutes.
When we say anti-Arab hate is on the rise, that's what we're talking about. We're not immune from those threats either, but we'll continue fighting against this type of hate every single day.
This was a voicemail sent to the executive director of ADC. So in this video, we just had Abid hold up the phone to the camera and play the voicemail. This lets the viewer know that somebody sent this to him directly. If we would have had him talk about it and not show it, it would not have elicited as strong of a response in the viewer. Another thing I want you to take notice of is that Abid's holding the phone to the viewer as if the viewer is in the room with him, listening to the threat. Notice the framing of the video as well. We want the viewer to just focus on the voicemail that's being played and nothing else. Let's move to the audible side of the ad. So in this video, the voicemail did all the heavy lifting. We added the bleeps to the video to add to the shock value. This helps us tackle our goal of eliciting a strong emotional response from the viewer. So if I'm hearing somebody cussing somebody out, I'm probably going to stick around to the end to find out more information and get more context. The music choice was dark and suspenseful. This helps sets the tone and brings out the seriousness of the situation. So at this point, with the combination of well thought out visuals, well thought out audio, and compelling storytelling, the viewer has gone on an emotional journey. An ad that's lacking emotion is just like any other video that people are going to scroll past. An ad that elicits emotion and tells a story is an ad that's going to convert. If your organization needs help telling its story and raising funds, contact us today.